here it's not working properly. Cannot see ourselves on full. For me, it's not that much good.
It will not be optimal for the common people.
Might be it's some server load issue.
Yeah.
There is one flaw. I noticed that if we talk on video call, so we cannot tap on our screen and we cannot see ourselves on full screen. So I can give one feedback to Zoho team.
So basically he is talking about something which is an Indian product, which is similar to WhatsApp, and he is talking about a functionality. One is like which is in WhatsApp, like when you click on your the video that is ongoing, then it is comes to full screen, and on the other side when it comes to it means the clicking functionality on the video is not working.
Yeah.
And
when you like in WhatsApp, when you click on your profile on your canvas of your video, so it will only come on your full screen.
Yeah.
Here it's not working properly. I think the Zoho team didn't work on that particular feature. So I don't know what the matter is. So it's a great feedback. I think everyone in video call they did not see another one. They see
themselves. Yeah.
More than other.
Yeah.
The Zoho team.
So it's necessary.
Yeah. So we are testing basically.
So we are
Yeah.
it's everyone believe it's a new product, so we give feedback, not criticizing the product, our product, but we can give the feedback to make it better.
This
Yeah.
is our
Usable.
product, so we are appreciated and we use in future. I hope it will spread out all of India or all over the world.
Yeah, and we'll try to overcome from WhatsApp and then move it to this
Yeah.
our NIP Indian product, right?
Yeah.
Also one suggestion, please
Use some simple name.
use some symbol. Yeah, right.
It is very difficult
Yes, name.
for us to pronounce.
Also, you can work on your logo. It's basically it's showing in.
So basically, he is talking about logo just because he is an UI UX designer and he feels that it is not a user experience. It is not for looking good for the user. He is a UI UX designer. From past 3 years, he is working on. That's why he giving a
I
feedback.
only give the suggestion. Maybe there are some designer in Zoho team. They maybe choose the color of yellow. I don't think what he research about. I'm not criticizing, but I give if I give my personal
Means
suggestion,
opinion,
you can make some similar like this. So it's yellow, but icon is pretty much good. I can appreciate this, but yellow is I don't think is working good.
It's not matching with the theme basically.
Yes. If you put
Because when
yellow-
when we click on the icon and then we go inside the application, it is totally different from the theme.
yeah, right.
Yeah. So he is I think appreciated, much appreciated your feedback.
Also,
if
I talk about these 4 button, so it's I think the Zoho team focused on B2B customers
as well.
as well. So
That's why he put the meeting
meetings
option.
in bottom 4 button. So if some people like that chat button is here, some people might not.
Not
So,
like, yeah.
For me personally, I use my phone mostly in left hand. So for me, it's not that much good as the WhatsApp is add their tags in left priority. So it's the right priority. I don't think it's.
Yeah, basically his opinion is
It's
because
personal opinion,
yeah,
not for everyone.
everyone is used to of using the chat icon on the left side of the screen, and that's why he is also putting one feedback is like to just put your chat icon on the left side instead of putting on the right side. Might be good for other, but it is not good for the one who is always who is used to of those habits, right? So it's just his opinion. And one more thing, what my opinion is like, I will tell hide this meeting icon from the bottom because it is not everyone of use.
Yeah, right.
We can put it on like adding some additional functionalities.
You can put it hamburger navigation.
On the sidebar you can place meeting, but putting it on the bottom bar,
Yeah.
it is like because it is not use of common people.
Yeah.
And if they are targeting business people, it is quite good, but it will not be optimal for the common people. Because if we try to move from WhatsApp and then adopting this application, it will not be like, since it is not used to of much of this icon, So it will be another feedback from our side.
Yeah, and we really appreciate for our Indian product. So everyone is giving feedback. I will not criticize, or everyone not criticize, because it's our first made. So I will appreciate them. But one thing I noticed, that if I call someone from video call, they didn't get any notification like for video call. So if, for example, if I search Azad, my friend, if I call video call, so here it's showing ringing, but might be there sometime they in application they don't receive any notification for video call.
Oh, means sometimes you don't differentiate about between calling and ringing.
No.
Yeah, then
it's basically actually on the other hand.
Yeah.
Sometime it app not showing the notification about video call. So here you can see the Azad, my friend, he rejected the call. That means he received already got the notification. But sometime they did not got about the notification. So might be it's some server load issue. I don't think, but just a feedback.
Yeah.
Best of
So,
luck, Zoho.
yeah.
Best of luck, everyone.
Yeah. Of course, we are wishing the best because, see, as a being part of this IT industry, it's always hurts to hear that everyone out of the India is criticizing Indian product. They are trying to betray the Indian industry. Just like we have heard that UAE is declining the Indian offers. Yeah, UAE by itself is saying that if you are doing business into IT, you need to pay 100% or 200% of tariff. So it is quite good, like if we are using our product and we are denying outsider product. So basically just this is our team, and we were testing the Zoho product. As we have
will
been
not disclose our some project we are also working on in as a startup founder. We are also working on something, but we cannot disclose now. So something really big is cooking.
Yeah. Something soon will be displaying. Yeah. We have see.
I am working.
Yeah. Continue.
Yeah, I am working in backend.
Yeah, he is backend developer. Actually, let me introduce. He is Manirul, and he is backend developer. He is working on backend side. His expertise in Java Spring Boot, and this is our as I have early introduced. He is our UI UX designer, and myself recording. I am an Android developer. That's why I was pretty much interested to review the product.
Guys, let me show him. He is a son. He is Android developer.
Yeah.
Don't call me he's a front end developer.
Yeah,
He is
I'm
an Android developer.
I'm an Android application developer.
No, bro.
Yeah.
You are front end developer.
No, never call an Android developer or app developer
He
in
is
front end
developer.
developer. He is only developer and not. He is Android developer, not
Yeah,
front
so
end.
as Musharraf mentioned that we are
not
we are working
front-end
on
developer.
something which is coming up soon. So please stay in touch with us so that we can update you with the product and make you used to that product, because it was very difficult for us to as per earlier I mentioned that listening from other people that not using our Indian product. So it will be helpful for our industry, our IT industry, Indian IT industry to grow if we support our product.
Yeah,
that's
right.
why we are not right now we are making video in for testing purpose, but it was for feedback so that they can come up with the improvement.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
This is what our thought was.
Oh, and again repeating that we are not criticizing. We are just giving the
new
feedback.
chat for India.
Putting
also.
our opinion online.
Yeah.
That's all.
And also this is the appreciation for our Zoho team.
From our team.
From our team,
Yeah.
right. So again, if he's Rizwan, he is just enjoying his game, and he's our
the
web developer and working on
web
our
developer.
dashboard.
Yeah,
And he's the business intellectual person. And he's the backend developer, main backend developer, as I can say lead backend developer. And myself, I am working on a UI also as well as on backend, but little bit of backend. Here's our Android developer. Don't call him front end developer. He's an Android developer.
Please stop calling Android developer as a front end developer. yeah. So we are an application developer and we work on applications, right?
Right. Okay.
So bye.
Bye. So, have a nice day. Again,
And meet
good
wish
luck
you the
Zoho
best.
team.
Yeah.
Good luck everyone who built this app for our Indian community. Although in future we can take it as a global, but for now it's a great appreciation. I really appreciate your Zoho and Zoho team who make this. Thank you very much. Meet you
Thank you, Zoho
soon
team.
again with the feedback and with our new and something big is cooking. Also, we are trying to making some content about our development process. Also, how we doing 9 to 5, 9 to 6 job and maintaining our startup development. So
Side by side.
side by side hustling.
Yeah,
I
this is
will.
the hustling stage.
Okay, guys, there is an update. We all are resigning from our 20 lakh package.
Yeah. This is the truth, bro.
Yeah, this is true.
All guys are resigning job for start a new startup.
Yeah.
And build our own product.
Yeah, here I have our business intellectual.
He is our business lead.
He have always a great idea of business that we call every time 2 number idea. So, but he is a great about
Guys,
business.
great guys.
Thank you so much all. Wish you all, which is the whole team. Bye. See you soon.